I over-rotated. One more roll.
Y'all got this.
Why are we rolling when we gotta unroll it?
I'm trying to get all the air out of it.
Well, I think we did.
Look, hey, no, let's see. Hey,
Yeah.
I got it, dude.
That's where
Let's roll it on
she's
out.
gonna fall.
Yeah, it's not gonna be pretty.
Somebody's
I've
phone
seen
is
monkeys
going
and shit.
around.
Man.
That's mine.
Keep rolling. No, keep rolling just like it is. All you gotta do is back the truck up over.
No, we gotta get it back.
Back your truck up over it.
Back the truck up over and get the air out of it, and that'll make it flatter.
Back the truck over it.
Then we'll fold it over one more time and get some rope.
I'm not sure if that playing there.
And we'll all
Look,
tie it.
it's leaking air down now.
It is.
What are you doing?
Get up there.
My phone. I'm a little dirty too. Why don't you step on that side?
So we'll try to get the air going.
Hey, Dawn! Lay down right here and roll that way.
Slide. And you too. All three of y'all get around and roll around in front of us.
Yeah, go ahead. I'm videoing.
Come on.
Oh, I'm
No,
videoing.
seriously, all the people can get on here.
No.
I'm not gonna do nothing to you. Come on.
No.
Taping you.
Yo, dirty leg thing.
I know.
Hey, that looks
His grass?
good.
It's grass.
He's gonna lick that mud off your leg.
I ain't got no mud. I mean, what kind of fertilizer do you use?
Ammonium nitrate.
Is it that Viagra?
No. Yeah.
Viagra.
That's cool. Bye.
That is cool.
Hi, cowabunga.
I think the wife's drunk and she's driving you home.
No, probably not.
No.
Look, it's the man show.
Hey, we need some answers.
Man, dude, they were telling me at work about that show that comes on 1,000 Ways to Die. Or something like that.
This is one of them.
No.
Yeah, you jumped.
And guilty.
A what?
Here.
Okay.
Alright, are we gonna unroll it and then roll it back up?
We have to.
And it cut her. She felt it. It was like, didn't think nothing about it. Went back doing it again and cut her again.
You know I'm videoing this.
Bled and turned.
I didn't hear about
Alright,
that, but I
let's
did hear about
unroll
the
this.
That's
bitch.
great, because now I have that on video. You'll have to
You said I'm worried dirty.
take that off.
Oh, come on, Dawn. It's not like you haven't heard one of those before. Whatever.
Alright, which way are we doing?
I know, Katie.
Which way?
We pull this way.
Anyway.
We're gonna unroll it.
Hello?
Look, alright, look. Now, see, y'all ain't done nothing. Now watch this.
Yes, we're in Munford trying to roll up this big water slide thing, and it's a hoot. I'm videoing
Roll
it.
me under that.
Maybe you'll see us on YouTube.
Get on the side like that.
Yeah.
Oh, you showed me something.
No,
man. Look at this.
There's
He
water.
got a lizard hanging off his pants leg. Hey, is that a lizard? Or are you just happy to see Steve?
Anyway, no, I'll call you. Okay, I will. Bye.
Really? Honestly,
I'm sorry. I thought it was going to stick.
Really? Let's roll this back over that way.
Y'all made a good deal
Oh.
last year, too.
Okay.
They just like tearing up something.
Do I still need to be videoing this?
Hey, remember we
I guess
gotta
so.
put the thing back in there.
Well, it'd be easier if it was blown up. You gotta put that thing back in there.
We're not blowing this thing back up.
Put it back in there. That white thing.
What? I missed something. I don't know.
He's gotta get a drink.
Get a drink out of your pants leg.
I'm dirty.
He shows your face.
Steve, you look real sad right now.
Hey,
Yeah.
this is going a whole lot better than last year.
Yes, much.
So we